In this video, I am going to unbox a desktop computer from Apple. I am talking about the Mac Mini base variant. It has got 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of SSD storage and comes with a M2 Apple Silicon chip. This is the product I am talking about, and I got this product from Apple Store. MRP of this product is 59,900 and I got an offer on this product, 5% discount. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the unboxing and check what we have got inside this box. Hey everyone, you're watching me Vinayaka on VGS World. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and support the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.